So the plan is I'm going for my second walk, and I'm gonna go to the Coquitlam crunch. I'm getting a bit of a late start, which will make it kind of fun and interesting. It's also been a while since I've done it, so expect some heavy breathing. Okay, I'm about to go up the crunch. I don't know if I'll make it all the way because of the time. I'm standing in front of the sign. It says that it's a 242 meter elevation gain, which I suppose is like 600, 700, 800 feet. And it's 2.2 kilometers to the top. As you can see, it's a manicured path, to say the least. There's steps that I'm on here, and it's under these power lines. I've walked here in the rain with an umbrella, and the drops, when they hit the top of my umbrella where there's a little metal piece, they spark. It's kind of freaky, but I don't think you can get electrocuted. It's just a freaky occurrence. Okay, I'm gonna turn the video off while I get breathing here. I am gonna head down. The part I like about this trail is up above the groomed trail. It gets quieter and quieter as you go up. So yeah, it's just that quietness and solitude that, of course, I really enjoy. But yeah, I gotta head home for various reasons.